moving up.
Yeah, right. One that was good. One across to us.
Yeah, we got him. In the container.
Yeah, he's sitting right here. I'm gonna just spray everywhere. Hey, Brian.
Nice.
Hey, Isaiah. I'm gonna peek out a little bit. Don't shoot my shoulder.
Let's shoot.
Let him out, hand up when you're out, hand up. I'm gonna peek up, ready? Where? Where? Not this conic, but the next conic. Two conics is behind. Swing out far right. He's got it. You heard him?
I don't see
Not
him.
this red one.
Oh, behind that?
Behind it.
Yeah, that's kind of your angle.
Yeah.
Got me. Ooh. There you go.
Dude, he's dead, bro.
No way.
Yeah.
Bro.
I know.
2 guns down in the same day?
It's not my day for sure,
You gotta be kidding me.
Just spectate.
Dude. What? You're the spotter? You're the spotter?
Yeah.
Oh, I got him.
Like on the sniper class? That's crazy.
You're right. You're right.
Let him out.
We might just have to get to the bus and like kamikaze. The guy's just controlling the flag.
Hit. Lurking. Get him. What is this place?
You're good. Sorry.
Where they at?
There were 2 on that left. We just got them.
Yeah,
Okay.
they're down.
You guys should be okay to push forward here. Just careful on the right side of that connex. Barrels are clear. We need to get up though.
Blue barrel on the left.
Yep, left, one left.
See if I can get an angle.
Knife hit!